Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start with two essentials: an unlocked Samsung A15 and a charged battery. This prevents interruptions. Open Settings, then tap Lock Screen. This is where Always On Display lives. You want to choose a clock style and any widgets first, because once enabled you'll see them instantly. It saves time and avoids reconfiguring later. Tap Always On Display and prepare to toggle it on. Once done, you'll move to customization. This helps the display show only what you need, saving battery. Now you customize the behavior and look. Toggle Always On Display to on and watch the preview area update. This confirms changes immediately. Next, pick a display mode. Show always uses more power, tap to show saves battery, or schedule limits active hours. Then select a clock style, add a widget like music or calendar, and pick colors that keep contrast high so you can read at a glance. Make sure to test tap to show if you prefer minimal battery use. It's practical and efficient. Finish by saving changes and locking the phone so you can verify the Always On Display looks right and respects timeout rules. If you notice unusual battery drain, switch the mode to tap to show or reduce AOD brightness. This balances visibility versus power. If the AOD does not appear, restart the phone and check for system updates, because firmware bugs can block it. One key troubleshooting tip: clear cache partition or update to the latest software. That often resolves stubborn display glitches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.